How's it going, everyone? So I wanted to talk about our maintenance program. So our maintenance program is a 12-month program. Obviously, it runs for the whole year. It's basically once a month you come out and we take care of the vehicle for you. We get it all cleaned up and that. It's a lot cheaper than doing even just our level 1 interior exterior details. Actually, it's cheaper than that, and especially cheaper than the level 2. And it includes all the stuff from the level 2 details. So you're getting the clay barring, you're getting iron removal, tar removal, all that kind of stuff on the exterior, and then you're getting, and then we put something on the exterior to make it last. So we're putting on something on there that's gonna last through the whole year. So we basically I use my spray sealants, my silica-based spray sealants, so they last about 6 months. So I do it in the springtime, and then I do it again right before winter, usually October, November-ish. And then you're good for the winter, and we don't have to do anything until springtime. And then on the interior, you're getting the steam cleaning and shampooing, which we do once a year, twice a year. It always kind of depends. Once you start coming in and I start seeing the vehicle, I can kind of get a feel for your driving habits and how much you're using the vehicle. And then we can kind of gauge it from there. And if I feel it needs to be done again in the fall, I'll do it again in the fall. But I always do it in the springtime. This car is a perfect example too, because they have a dog. They have a German Shepherd, and the seat's always up. The dog always sits here. There's actually a mat. I gotta put it back down before I leave. Totally forgot about that. There's a dog mat that sits here. You're not gonna find any pet hair in here. And then at the bottom of these seats, there's a fabric. There's like a carpeting material, and the pet hair sticks to that like crazy too. You're not gonna find there because it's so easy for me to maintain this vehicle. It takes no extra effort. I said, if you were just to come to me like after like 6 months of having your dog in and out of the vehicle, there's gonna be excessive pet hair in there, and I'm gonna have to upcharge you for it, unfortunately. That's just the way it is. I'm like, because it's gonna take that little bit of extra effort to get it all out, or to get the majority of out. And the longer you leave it, the harder it is to get out. And then if it gets trampled on and everything, it makes it even worse, especially depending on the carpeting of the vehicle. So other than that, the vehicle's looking, this thing's in great shape. It's a 17. I've been taking care of it for the last 2 years. But outside, inside, looks great. Floor mat. WeatherTech mat's still a little bit wet. I just put it back, so. But it's gonna stay like this, and you're not gonna have to deal with the pet hair all over the place. So it makes a perfect example for the maintenance program and why we're here and why we exist. This truck's always gonna look nice. So, as always, I'm Dan Zajac. I'm the owner of Precision Pro Auto Detailing, and I look forward to helping you make your life a little bit easier through detailing. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next one.